Hi there, good day to all. Welcome to another fun learning session. I'm Mr. Raj from Chemistry Department of MELAKA Matriculation College. Today we are going to learn about mass spectrometer. So what is mass spectrometer and how does it function? Dr. Steven is a chemist working with National Environmental Agency. Recently, Kim River in Pasir Gudang polluted by illegal chemical waste dumping. So Dr. Steven was assigned by the head of department to collect few samples from the river and determine the presence of heavy metals as contaminants. After collecting the samples, Dr. Steven drove back to his office at National Environmental Agency. While driving, Dr. Steven was figuring out proper experimentation method to test the samples. Then, Dr. Steven brought the samples to his laboratory at National Environmental Agency for testing of heavy metal contaminants as ordered by his superior. At his laboratory, Dr. Steven conducted a series of experiments. But one question still remains. How do Dr. Steven going to determine various isotopes of heavy metals that contaminated Kim River and its respective percentage of abundance? The answer to this question is an analytical technique known as mass spectrometry. Mass spectrometry is the most direct and most accurate method for determining atomic and molecular masses. Now let's look at Dr. Steven's work on mass spectrometer. Since the polluted sample is a contaminated water, it can be vaporized in the first chamber. Dr. Steven injected polluted sample into vaporization chamber where the sample will be vaporized into gaseous molecules or atoms. Gaseous sample then enter ionization chamber where the gaseous atoms or molecules turns into gaseous ions with positive 1 charge or called as unipositive ions. Looking at a more detailed explanation, at ionization chamber, a gaseous sample is bombarded by a stream of high energy electrons released from the heated filament. In a magnified vision, we can see the collision between high energy electron and gaseous atom dislodges an electron from neutral atom to produce unipositive ions. So, at ionization chamber, neutral atom become positive ion. These positive ions are accelerated in acceleration chamber by negatively charged plates. The repelling force from either side of the chamber pushes electrons further forward to the magnetic chamber. Meanwhile, vacuum pump used to remove any other particles in the air so that gaseous ions travels without any disturbance. Upon reaching magnetic chamber, ions are deflected into circular path based on mass to charge ratio. Lighter ions deflected the most while heavier ions deflected the least. For instance, assume the sample collected by Dr. Steven consists of magnesium isotopes. Magnesium 24 will deflect the most because it is the lightest. Ions fall on ion detector will be detected and amplified. Mass spectrum produced show obvious and clear number of ions and its relative abundance of isotopes. This is an example of mass spectrum of magnesium obtained by Dr. Steven. In this manner, Dr. Steven managed to identify metals present and its abundances in the polluted water sample. Bear in mind, it's just part of mass spectrum since the focus is only on one metal, magnesium. Hey guys, I hope you all had some great time watching the basic operation of the mass spectrometry. See you again in another fun learning session with me, Raj. Till then, remember, do not pollute.